Hey there, everybody. Uh, if you're in the Northeast and you made it through that storm, good job. Glad you're still with us. We are still here too. But sometimes life presents opportunities for something to just be the topic to talk about. So I guess today is the day I'm going to let you all in on the joke. A while back, I had dinner with one of you lovely people, and one of the things that came up when we were chatting was that I was laughing about pretty unfortunate situations, and that's my coping mechanism. It's my way of kind of taking away the power of the horrible, unfortunate event and finding small blessings or silver linings or just something to help remind myself that it's overcomable. It's it's something you can recover from and build off of, and it's a way to keep yourself from being bogged down by the negative emotions and keep yourself in motion so that you're able to keep doing the work that you have to in order to keep moving forward and fixing the situation that you find yourself in. And in Nicole's family, the Lallies, for whom the farm is named after, uh, they have a saying. And for those of you who are old enough to understand a Rodney Dangerfield reference, here it comes. For those of you who aren't, go look him up. Don't judge too hard, I guess. Uh, but they always said, if it weren't for Lally Luck, I'd have no luck at all. And that's that's where the farm name came from, is because they see that bad luck turn. And I think that it's a good way to frame how I approach things. So, yes, unfortunate events occur and they are impactful in my life. Pardon me, I am looking up because there's still snow coming down from some of these trees, and I got pelted earlier. And oh, you don't want a ball of snow falling on your dome from 50 feet up. But so that's where the farm name came from. Is the if it weren't for Lally Luck, I'd have no luck at all. And instead of seeing that as a potentially negative outlook, I thought it would be fun to flip it around and use it to empower ourselves and be like, yeah, if it weren't for Lally Luck, we'd have no luck at all. The bad luck and the okay luck, and yeah, the occasional good luck. That's what makes it so that we can do the things that we do. It's what makes us who we are. And so I might have spoiled this. I'm going to show you some good old Lally Luck now without me in the picture. Do you guys remember that tree I was telling you about? I had girdled one branch hoping to encourage that one branch. This is the one that the axe was in the other day on the other video. But I had girdled a branch to encourage that one to come down because I really didn't want the whole tree to come down at once. I didn't want to have to deal with 4 main stems or 3.5 main stems all at once. But the tree heard me say that, and so it decided that I'm not its boss. I'm not its coal mine supervisor. It took another one of its friends with it. There's another one heading back that way. I don't even know where the top to that one is. It's gone. It's somewhere. And over by the pond, I'll zoom in a little bit for you. That particularly little brown spot right there is the upturned earth from another tree that has just completely fallen into the pond. There's actually several in that shot that have now fallen into the pond, which is not exactly the greatest thing, but it's going to give me an opportunity to pick and choose which things I leave. It gives me new opportunities to plant things or to use that earth or to encourage some of the local wildlife to move in and make use of it. It could potentially be a spot for me to introduce small protected aquatic plants in a capacity. It's certainly small enough that I could fence it in some way, put a little cage a la Edible Acres style. But my path is currently impassable. I mean, it's go aroundable, but yeah. Interestingly enough, though, because of that good old spin on bad old luck, all of this fell in this longitudinal way, which leads back into the less managed portions of the woods, and entirely missed the stretch of garden bed here where things were planted last fall, and the stretch of garden bed here in which things were planted last fall. And so, yeah, terrible luck. I'm super sad that I have so many trees to clean up right now. It's ridiculous. You can see Nicole maybe peeking through the woods up there, surveying the damage to Jelly School, which is now permanently closed for the youths of the ducks. No more learning how not to be jelly. But so yeah, it's a spot of bad luck, but it's not insurmountable, and it's something that we can build from, we can build out of, we can do things with. This is a ton of woody debris, which I'll have to cut up or buck in some fashion. I mean, there is literally 4 trees here worth just in this space, not even counting the one like way back there or the ones out there. Like, there's a ton of woody debris to deal with and to find homes for and to process in some way so that the overall design continues to move forward. Perhaps some of that is building material. I don't know exactly how much straight run we have, but we'll see what we can make. Maybe it's additional edges for pathways, or maybe it is something that I split in half and make a bridge out of to get over the channel back there. There are so many opportunities in a disturbance like this. And I think that the way that you frame that luck or those occurrences is going to change the way. Not might change the way, it will change the way that you recover from those unfortunate accidents and those spots of bad luck. So yeah, you're all in on the joke. It's the longest running one I've had on the channel. It predates the channel really, but yeah, I'm really glad you're all here for it to share in the laughs, because that's what we try to do here. Try to have fun despite what's going on. Ugh. This. And besides, I can come in, I can clean up the little Widowmaker stuff, and it'll be a really great little habitat tree. Something to decay for the woodpeckers and the squirrels and the chipmunks and other nesting birds to use the cavities of, and it'll just add to the overall benefit of what we're doing here. So that's it. I hope you all appreciate being let in on the joke. I know I don't often spoil them, but yeah. Till next time. Thanks for watching. I know. I was right in the middle of the sign-off, but it's been a few days since we've been able to even connect to the internet with any kind of reliability, and since we received enough snow to cause a 5-day blackout for us, we've received a number of orders from lovely people, and I just wanted to kind of tag this on at the end. Thank you so much. You are the silver lining for us in these hard times. So Thank you so much for everyone who watches, everyone who orders, everyone who comments or reaches out and gives support. You mean the world to us. So, thank you. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.